Hi, it's Greg Hughes again from 90-Second Website Builder. This is video 7 in a series of tutorials about creating a mobile-friendly website. Now in this video, I'm just going to show you a couple of very quick things that we've thrown in as sort of added extras to make your design process a little simpler. In previous videos, I've showed you how to work with the many templates that I've provided. And if you're building a mobile-friendly website, especially for the first time, I really recommend you use a template. You can change it around all you want, but all of the hard stuff, all of the coding part that's behind the scenes is already done for you in a template. But you certainly can start from scratch if you want to. However, we think most people are just going to want to do it quickly and easily, so hence the templates. But we've also given you some other tools that you can use if you feel really creative. In an earlier video, when I showed you how to download the templates, I also downloaded some mobile images. So if you haven't done that, you should. Here on my desktop, I've downloaded the zip folder here called Mobile Images, and then I've unzipped it. Inside this folder are just several images that we've provided for you that just happen to look good on a mobile site. I'm going to open up this folder and just kind of show you quickly what's in here. And as I do, I want to say something about working with images in 90-Second Website Builder. Most of you would know about the image tool by now, and you can drag and drop an image into the canvas by using this tool. You simply click here, you go like this, and then you would go browse for that image. Pretty straightforward. But one of the things I like to do is I just like to drag the image directly into my project. So here I have a window that's open from my desktop. Understand this window back here is the software. This is a window a folder I've just opened in my desktop. And if I want to put an image in 90-Second Website Builder, I can literally drag it into place like this, and it's there. It doesn't get any easier than that. But that's pretty much what you need to know to work with images, is just drag them in. Some people ask, where should I install my images? Well, you don't have to install images like you do templates. Templates have to be installed and become a part of the software program. Images do not. You can drag images from anywhere on your computer and build them into your project. Then when you save it, 90-Second Website Builder makes copies of all those images for you, organizes them in an images folder, and you don't have to worry about that. So that's why we've provided you with a set of some images that just look good on a mobile site. One of the categories of images you'll see is a folder called 320 backs. We call it 320 backs. That just means backgrounds that are 320 pixels wide. All of these images are 320 pixels, so if you just want to drag a good, nice background image into your mobile site, you do that. You'll notice that I'm not using a template here. I would have to set this particular project up. So you'll see I didn't even set my page properties yet and all of that. I didn't put my view source, but I would normally want to make this be 320, and I'd have to put all the code, or again, you can use a template to do all that. So anyway, just want you to know that you have access to all of these types of images. Some of them are full sized 320. You can stretch them out like this. Some of them are not as big. Some of them are just headers and based on themes. So here's a 320 pixel header. Might be sort of a technology mobile site theme. Anyway, there's a few of those in here that you can work with in different colors. We've also thrown in a lot of different arrows and buttons and phone buttons and things like that. There's a lot of icons. These are just excellent because they look good on a mobile site. I'll drag one in so you can see. There's just all kinds of icons like this, as well as some social media buttons. So YouTube buttons and Skype buttons and LinkedIn buttons and anything else. These just all look good and are ready for you to create links to. So you link these to the appropriate social media network. So in addition to this set of images that you can download as part of this mobile site kit, of course, are the templates that we have been talking about in previous videos. But there's two templates that are rather unique. I want to open up those for you. I'm going to open up a website from a template, go to my mobile templates, and I'm going to open up this one I called blank. It's kind of a bare bones. The reason I made this, and let me call it something so we can save a copy of it. This is a mobile template that I pretty much left blank so that you could drag in your own images, put in your own text, for those of you that want to start from more from scratch without having to do any of the coding. Again, these pages are already set for behind the scenes, so the page HTML stuff is already there. You don't have to worry about any of that. But basically, it's just a blank page. And I've created several pages in this project. One, a space for the JW video, a thank you page if you have a contact form, a map page if you want to put your map there, All of the video playing software and code is built into this blank template. There is a contact form right here that you can edit, and of course a QuickTime video page. So basically this is what I would call a bare bones template with nothing on it except for some of those critical things that you can use to make your site completely customized and make it look the way you want it to look. So that's what that blank template is for. I want you guys to know that, just in case you wondered if I made a mistake making a blank template. No, I did it on purpose. And there's another one in here too. There's one other template I want to show you among the mobile templates. And the layout is a little unique. It's not one I'd really recommend you use directly the way it is. Let's call this one. I pretty much put a bunch of icons on this template just so you can see that they exist. So this is just, we should call this a sampler. You probably shouldn't design your mobile site to be this busy, but I put these here so you can see what you have to work with. There's several pages on this template as well. If you want to have a help page, I've got a little bit of everything here. A text box, icons, social medias, call us buttons, more text. This is a jQuery tab. I've also got a contact form with all of that stuff. I made a video page that would link to external videos just to kind of give you an idea of what you can do with some of these images. This would be a map page. You would change the HTML for your Google Map. Here's just a blank page. It kind of looks like an iPhone, that kind of stuff. Here's a thank you page. Again, this is not a pretty website. This is more of a sampler website that has a little bit of everything so you can kind of see what you have to work with. Mainly what I want you to know is besides this set of templates, we've given you these mobile images. And of course, you can use any image you want. Any web-friendly image that fits in the space can be used on your mobile-friendly website. So enjoy the templates, enjoy the extra images, and have fun building your mobile site.